Okay. We can go over there if you like. Is there a Roxy over here? Oh yeah, there is a Roxy right there. Oh cool. Cool, and you can get Waikiki Trolley tickets. Alright, Starbucks and all that.
Oh, look, it's so sharp, I think.
What? Is it?
Yeah. Right? Oh, no,
yet.
it's not. I didn't see anybody here, so I thought it was.
Okay. Where are we going to now? I don't need to. We're gonna go there anyway sometime soon. Let's go to Victoria's Secret. What is Victoria's Secret? What is the secret?
Her underwear.
That can't be her secret.
Oh, this is the Waikiki Trolley podium. See, they weren't there. So we said come to their podium.
Oh. Okay.
So that there is a toilet that's back to our house.
Okay, let me scan this real quick. Hi, how's it? Aloha. You guys can get tickets online too, or?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
We give a good promotion too. You're local. You're from here.
Yeah.
So we give a promotion.
What is it?
It's 10% off.
Yeah.
And you get Sea Life Park tickets that come with the ticket. Yeah.
No way. Wow. Sea Life Park
So it
tickets?
comes out to $27 and
Yeah.
it comes with the ride and the Sea Life Park
Wow.
Which line is that?
Wow,
tickets.
that's worth it.
The blue one.
Just the Sea Life Park tickets is
That's the Sea
yeah,
Life
it's
Park
expensive.
alone. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Wow.
Here.
That's sweet.
And you only can get them all here.
Okay.
Oh, so we have to come
Yeah.
to book it through you.
Yes.
Oh, we should do it. What day can we go?
Let's figure it out.
Okay.
Wednesday.
Yep, that's the promotion
Okay.
right now.
Okay. When is this until?
Yeah, where's the...
February 10th, I think, too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this one come out, the adults will come out to 27.
Yeah.
The kids will come out to 17.
So would it be like 20...
But we don't have any kids that would
27.
come. They'll be at school.
Oh yeah, 27 and 17.
Yeah.
Oh, what a
Okay.
deal.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we come over here to do it.
What is, and the bus starts,
Yeah,
pickup
right here.
is
They
over
pick up
all
right
these
here.
people are.
They go around this way. Sure, open.
We rode
So they
on-
go, we right here.
Yeah.
They go around this way, around Diamond Head. Then come this way, go all the way Waimanalo, Sea Life Park.
Yeah.
The last stop, turn around, come back. They stop at the Holona Blowhole for 10 minutes.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Oh my gosh, what a deal.
Wow.
Yeah, good deal, yeah.
That
right
is a good
now,
deal.
1 month we get that going.
Okay.
So to the 10th.
Jeez. All right. And then you gotta come here to reserve it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, but otherwise you could do other
Yes.
reservations with the QR code and
Yep,
stuff.
yep,
Okay.
yep.
Okay. Cool. Okay, we'll talk about it.
We only rode on the one that goes through.
Oh, the pink
The pink
one.
light. Yeah, we just tried it just for fun.
The double
Fun.
decker.
Yeah, we got to sit on the top.
Yeah.
Front too.
Yeah. I know, and it's a treat, yeah, for us.
Yeah.
Olivia.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, never rode on a double decker bus
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mahalo.
Oh wow, what a deal. You're so funny. What do you mean we don't have kids to go? No, we go. Well, our kid would be in school, that's why.
He's too old. This is Charlie's 11 years old.
Oh,
That's why I said we don't have
I didn't know that. Okay, so he'll be an adult already.
Correct. He's an adult. He's not considered a minor.
Now I understand. Wow. And they pick you up right there. That's where they pick you up for that. Okay, fix. Wow. We gotta go Holey Grail. Oh, they got a line.
Okay. It's just because we've been in Plaza like this time really going.
And it's not even Scott in there today. Scott's not there. Let's go get that. Well, we'll try to come back here after and see. That's a Pokefix we just walked by over there. Yeah, some people in there, so we're gonna go to Holey Grail. Yeah, pink sales. Huh? Oh yeah, it's gone. It's gone. Yeah, and the Dole Whip. Yeah. Okay. Hi, can we just get a Taro donut?
Would you like our OG glazed?
Okay, well, how else does it come? Just...
We have 7 different flavors.
Oh, okay.
So on our menu over here at the very bottom are our add-ons.
Okay.
Those are the classic flavors, like the chocolate, the honey.
Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe we can try the chocolate one also. Cool. Thank you. For you. Thank you. Okay, let's wait. Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ah, look at that.
Present.
Yeah, it looks like a present.
Wow.
All right.
Yeah, but they're gonna be different. Are they both Taro?
Yeah. Okay, so Jennifer Stam, she hooked us up with some Holey Grail. The $5 donut she gave. Thanks, Jennifer. So this is the beautiful box it comes in. I showed it to you already. Sorry about the sirens around. My wife already ate one. We got 2 actually. Each costs about $4, so we got 2. This is a Taro donut. This is with the chocolate. Wow. The texture inside is so different from a regular yeast donut. This is Taro donut. It's really good. Yeah. The size is a little small, just so you're not caught off guard if you go and get one of these. But the taste is so good. It's more fluffy, but firm but not dry. So it's really delicious. I think we could have got, I asked for a glazed one and a chocolate one, but I think they made a mistake, but it's okay. We'll always love chocolate. I'm gonna eat 1.5. This is so good. And this again is on I think it's on Seaside, on right next to or right outside of the Duke Marketplace. Just look for this truck right here that I'm eating in front of. So good. And after you eat your donut here, you can go and shop inside. Look for some souvenirs in Duke's Marketplace. Really good donut from Holey Grail. Thanks, Jennifer. Mahalo.